Hello guys, so welcome to EG Makeup Artist again. So this is a quick video to show you something that one of my colleagues recommended me, and this is if you are especially oily or greasy, and I mean, she said that it is working, so this is gonna be my first time using it, and it's this one here. Is by Dixon's Original with Hazel, and it says here is a pore perfecting toner, so fragrance free, gentle skincare, and it says here gently cleanses and conditions pores to maintain clear, smooth and balanced skin, okay, without over drying. Now this is 100% natural product, exclusive plant to bottle formula. It says it is 16 ounce and is equal to 473 milliliters. Okay, now this is gonna be my first time using it, and I'm gonna do a week because it says here use daily, so I'm gonna use it for a week, a whole week, and just to stay and to test it out, try it out, and see what's good and how is it working. It does has a chemical smell. It slightly has that like kind of like a vinegar smell, I believe. So I'm gonna be using cotton pad, and I'm gonna read quickly the directions here. It says use daily after cleansing or before applying skin treatment. Okay, so it's basically your face has to be cleaned for you then to use this. Moisten a cotton ball or pod and apply it to face and neck. For best results, use in the morning and at night for naturally soft and beautiful skin. Let me quick read the ingredients here. It says here all natural, distillated with hazel, containing natural grain alcohol 14% and witch hazel extract. Okay, and of course I'm gonna be leaving the link down below because I purchased this in Amazon. Now you have to be careful when purchasing in Amazon because this is a Amazon Prime product. It means that it's been delivered by Amazon Prime, and you have with Amazon Prime you have the next day delivery, so that's one of the advantages. And the other thing I believe is that with the Amazon Prime is even better. Although you pay one amount a year or you pay monthly, I do pay monthly. I used to pay a year, but I'm a student, so I do have a discount, obviously. And the advantages is that when it comes to return items, I think it's even easier because Amazon Prime, it's not that complicated that when you do it with private companies, because with private companies they have their own policies, and sometimes they do what they say, what is written, and other times they are so, you know. And then yeah, I mean, Amazon Prime, I like it. Anyways, my face is clean. I clean my face with black soap. I did scrub it first, and I've used a microfiber sponge to clean my face, which is really good. I like it. It has that sensation of deep cleansing without having to scrub your face with the scrubs, obviously. So my friend recommended me this, especially if you are greasy and if you have issues with your pores, you know, if you have open pores like me. I do have open pores. So from my understanding of watching other YouTubers, it's always nice to instead of applying any toner like swiping, whatever you want to call it, it's better if you do it this way. I mean, obviously the product has to penetrate in your skin. So obviously I cannot tell you nothing, but I have a, you know, normal sensation. Now my skin feels really dry. That's all I can say. It feels really dry. And let me have a closer look for you guys. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you guys find it like useful, and if you try the product and you feel that it does something to you, please do tag me or leave it in the comment section down below. Also, you guys are gonna have the link. So anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so YouTube will notify you, okay? If you are interested in what I have in the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.